she
Well,
showed
they're
me.
not matching. This is actually, I think she has to do with laundry. We were talking about taking bed to ashes at the orifice,
Yeah.
and in Cascade, like, we need to do that, or plan on doing that.
I think it's funny that my mom and dad are together on the desk. That's one of the last things
They're
they
over
eat.
at your house.
They're over at Bev's house. It's not wet anymore, and it's beautiful. And you are just full of life. Do you know that? You are just full of life. I love that.
My tummy's very full because I'm eating a lot of food.
Oh, I gotta put the water.
What about food? What about your tummy?
My tummy's very big.
And now you're 3, right?
Yes!
3.
Look, it's really
You're getting to be a big girl.
This is 4. All of them is 4.
That's 4.
Where do all of
You got 10. That's 10. It's 5 per hand.
That's 10.
1. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And then that baby, I did 1.
And you were even younger than 1. You were 1 day old. You weren't even a day old when you were born.
And then I can get up taller.
You're going to get taller. That's right.
But see, I'm still growing.
You're still growing. You're
But
going to grow.
I can't reach the top.
You're going to be growing for a while.
We need a ladder to climb up and touch the wall.
Exactly. Yeah, that's true. You would need a ladder.
But it's too high.
Another 10 years, you're going to be able to touch this just fine.
Tongue out, tongue out, tongue out.
I love how you laugh. I love
Go
how you laugh.
downstairs.
Look at this pretty hair. She's got beautiful hair.